Welcome Stats Busters to question 13, and let's hope this one is not unlucky for you. This one is all about improper fractions and mixed numbers. Remember, an improper fraction is when the number on the top is bigger than the number on the bottom. These are also sometimes called top-heavy fractions. A mixed number is basically when you've got a whole number plus a fraction part. In other words, like this 6 and 7/8 here. So 6 is the whole number, 6 whole ones, and 7/8 is the fraction part. Now remember, to turn an improper fraction into a mixed number, you basically do a divide. So 67/8 is like saying 67 divided by 8. 48/8 is like saying 48 divided by 8. 55/8 is 55 divided by 8. 76/8 is 76 divided by 8, and 62/8 is 62 divided by 8. Now, if you're divided by 8, basically what they're testing here is your knowledge of your 8 times table. If you're good at your 8 times table, this should be really easy to you. So, 67 divided by 8. Well, 8/8 is 64. So 67 divided by 8 is going to be 8. 8/8 is 64, remainder 3. So it's 8 remainder 3, and because we're dealing with 8, it's 8 and 3/8. Okay? 48 divided by 8 is exactly 6, because 6/8 are 48, and there's nothing left over. You could say remainder 0, and because we're dealing with 8, it's 6 and no 8. But 6 and no 8 is just basically the same as 6. Okay? 62 divided by 8. Well, again, you should know that 7/8 would give you 56. And you can't get another 8 in there to get up to 60. That's going to take you past 62. So 7/8 are 56, and there is 6 left over. So 7 remainder 6. And because we're dealing with 8, 7 and 6/8. 55 divided by 8. Well, 6/8 are 48. We've already done that one before. So 6/8 are 48, and to get from 48 up to 55, that's remainder 7. So that's 6 remainder 7, and because we're dealing with 8, 6 and 7/8. And 76 divided by 8, your 8 times table should tell you that 9/8 are 72. That leaves you with 4 left over to get up to 76, so that's 9 and 4/8. Now, if we go back to the question, it says circle the improper fraction that is equivalent to 6 and 7/8. Well, the only one that's equivalent to 6 and 7/8 is this one here. Okay, so the one we need to circle is 55/8.